every challenge that comes to you is a teaching. It's designed by the school of spirituality to teach you something. So you accept it, you welcome it, you accept it, and you don't react to it, and you take the best out of it. You learn the best out of it. And you're not a victim anymore. You change your attitude. Somebody screws you over, they steal money from you, they lie to you. Inside you say, thank you for teaching me what you taught me, because I'm not a victim. I needed to learn this. I needed a snake, someone with a pretty face and pretty smile come to my life and give me these pretty lies, and I get cheated, and learn this lesson that I needed to learn. Because obviously if it happened, it was meant to be that way, and I had to learn this lesson. Now you're not a victim. And now your mind is not suffering because you're accepting what is. And not only that, now you're turning the poison into medicine. Something happened to you. Somebody screwed you over. They cheated you. And instead of you going to the victim side and calling all of your friends and going into the story and recreating the story, instead of doing that, you stay in your center within yourself and you say, I accept this. I see what happened. Thank you for the teaching. I learned something very valuable from this. And I'm actually grateful to the person who came and cheated me, because they co-created, they came to teach me this. This came from my guru. This came from my higher self. This pretty cunning face was my higher self, came to my life and lied to me. So I learned this in the school of spirituality, because the school of spirituality is not limited to a building. It's not limited to a church. It's not limited to a school. It's life. So you're always in the school of spirituality. You're always being challenged. So you take the lesson, you're grateful, it makes you sharp, it makes you sensitive, but you don't close your heart. You keep your heart open. You fall down, you get bloody, you get dusty, you clean yourself, you clean up yourself, you put yourself back into shape. You're grateful for the experience, and now you're going to go forward with that experience in your bag. And you go higher and higher and higher, because life will get better for you. When you're awakened and sensitive and alert and open to life, life can only get better. It doesn't get bad. When life gets dark, it's because you're not awake. When you're awakened and you're waking up, life cannot get dark because you are full of light. Darkness has no place in your life. Things can only get better. But better doesn't mean things gonna go your way. Don't take me wrong. Okay? That's the mind. Things get better means you're surrendered to life and you accept life, and your heart's open, your mind is quiet, and you feel the love in your life, and you feel connected, and you can see the synchronicity of how things perfectly come together. And life gets better and better and better. All right, my beautiful brothers and sisters, We went even 12, 13 minutes over. I want to thank you for your presence. Hello, I Miss Shung. Shung,
Hi.
Hi, sweetheart. I see you for the first time. I don't know.
Hello.
Hello. Nice meeting you. Welcome. Where are you located? What part of the world are you in?
I'm located in Hong Kong.
In Hong Kong. Well, welcome. Thank you. Thank you for. Go ahead.
Namaste.
Namaste. Namaste. How do you pronounce your first name?
You could just call me Lou. Yeah.
Lou. Okay, Lou. And thank you for joining us.
Thanks for having us.
Yeah, absolutely. So, so my just a quick announcement that I'm having a spiritual talk and transmission, and we have titled the spiritual talk and transmission under the 5D Quantum Awareness talk series that I'm conducting in Southern California. And the next one is going to be this coming Thursday in Irvine, California. It's in my website. It's a free talk for 2 hours, and you're welcome to join me. We're not asking for anything. You're welcome to make a donation to help the cause if you feel like it, but there's no requirement. There's still, I think, one more spot left for my upcoming retreat, the essence of shamanism, which I'm going to be offering in 10 days, starting on March 7th to the 15th in Sedona, Arizona. And there's still room, one or two, I'm not exactly sure. I think one, I need to check. One more spot left. So if your heart desires, you have the means and you can make it, I'll welcome you to join us. It's going to be a wonderful, beautiful retreat. And we're going to be doing a lot of outdoors activities and activations on the field in Sedona, Arizona, which is my power place. And after that, I'm offering the 5th Dimensional Quantum Healing Training Program, Level 1, in Los Angeles, and that's going to be in the middle of April. The talk series, I'm going to have 11 talk series all the way to the time that I head to Scandinavia. At the end of April, I'm going back to Europe, and I'm going to start with Hamar, Norway, which I will be there and offering a series of workshops. You're welcome to join me. Check out my website, Zarathustra.tv. Those of you who are with us on YouTube, please subscribe and share with your friends. We would appreciate it, or on Facebook if you share with different groups the message. And the message is getting stronger and more powerful, and a stronger transmission is coming out. And I'm committed and intend to travel around the world and share the wisdom with my brothers, sisters. And if anybody wants to help, contribute in any way, we welcome that, because we always need help in whatever way, or want to volunteer. Any way that you feel like you want to help, we welcome you and welcome your help.